Welcome back, and we are on challenge number 26. So again, we're going to evaluate one number less than another number. So let's take a look at the challenge statement. So we could say evaluate if, and I'm going to go ahead and do the live corrections, evaluate if 12 is less than 15. And that's all we really want to be able to do. That's going to be our challenge. How do we write this in code? Bam. So what we want to do first is ensure that we are displaying some basic instructions to the monitor or to the screen, okay? We want to ensure that we are using variables for these numbers, and then we want to run a conditional statement. So those are really the key points for this particular challenge, is making sure that we're using the less than symbol for the two numbers in the correct order. We want to display just a simple piece of instruction to the screen, and that's really just to let the end user know what's going on. We want to be able to store numbers and variables, and we want to use the conditional statement, the if-else statement. So let's go ahead and take a look at this in pseudocode, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're going to use the display statement to evaluate 12 is less than 15. We will store those two numbers and variables, and then we'll run the condition statement here, okay? And then we'll display the output. In our flow chart, we'll start with the oval, the parallelogram, two rectangles, the diamond, the parallelogram, and that it really is an extended oval, okay? And then we'll write our code. So we'll say 12 less than 15 because that's really what we want to evaluate. We want to see the computer do what it's being paid to do, or we want to see the resources on the computer go to work for us. So we will make it work for us. Num1 equals 12, num2 equals 15. If num1 is less than num2, tell me so, and if not, tell me so. So let's take a look at that in code. So num1 equals 12 and num2 equals 15. Print out, evaluate, 12 is less than 15. And we're actually just saying if it is 12 less than 15. And you know, it's the I don't know. It's an I don't know question. Now we of course know the question, but we're simply saying if it is, tell me so. If it's not, tell me that. We'll go ahead and run the program. And again, we know that is true. So that's another challenge completed successfully, and I'll see you next time.